Hi guys, how is it going? So in this video, I will show you how to set up Iptv SmartEarth Pro. But before go ahead, you need to have Iptv SmartEarth Pro installed on your device. You guys find the downloading link in the description below. Then guys, after downloading Iptv SmartEarth Pro, you get this page. What are you going to do is to click on Login with Extreme Codes AP. So guys, here, what you need to do is to fill up the following information. In the next step, guys, you will need to get your login details. So don't hesitate to contact us via WhatsApp in order to provide you with a free trial with no obligations. So guys, after finishing this step, just click on Add Playlist. The last step is to click on Download and you enjoy live TV channels, movies, and series. So guys, if you get here, don't forget to contact us via WhatsApp. And thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next video.